ukuthi 4 million. Bakithi ake siyibone into elibazisayo. Station commander, be embarrassed about being a station commander in any police station wherever you are. Be embarrassed. Be embarrassed now. Because we are so old. We are 37 years old. Kunabasebenzi lapha na. Aba educated enlistsmen, they cannot get a promotion because of you. Because of you. Ake sibabone la to retire. Ngeke uthi una 62 years if government ekunika package ka 1.1 million after tax uthi wena uwazi uzowenzana. Uthi uwazi uzowenza. Kunomuntu ophila ngo 30,000 asenaqala into emphilisayo aphume amashele iqiniso. Wena uthi uma wanika 1 million awuwazi ungawenzana. No. You are the cause of this backlog esinayo entsheni. Intsha ethi graduateile nina nifuna ukuphuma. Nahambe nohlala emakhaya. But let's talk about something. This is Babu Dr. Basubotshave. This channel is your channel. It's not my channel. But into engifuna ukuyikhuluma ngifuna sikhulume ngento engakazi uyizwe kwenye channel ongeke phinde ufite uyizwe kwenye channel. Iyaqala la iyagcina la kuphela. Ongalandela ngabe sebe analyze kuphela bona. Legacy in Africans. Our African brothers and sisters, why they cannot leave a legacy for their children. Baba Dr. kanti yini legacy ngoba ubaba wafashe imoto sikhothe sezantshontshwa phela. Kanti yini legacy? A Muslim who is doing medicine, having his own surgery. Ingane zakhe at school, they're going to study medicine. And when they study medicine, they're coming to practice at home. The legacy continues. India, ingane yalo adversity, doing chemical and auto engineering. Because at home, they're doing that kind of business. An accountant doing same thing. Because a law firm company, they send their kids to study law and come back and continue with the legacy. To us as Africans, we can't do that. We are not stupid, we can't do that. We are 100 years more to add before we can able to do that. Reason why, I am working for a Shoprite as a tiller. My child is at school now. I had a problem even with care. That child, when he or she goes to varsity, I'll be still working for Shoprite at Dispatch now.